If an interlock is activated, both the flash lamp and Q switch, if enabled, are automatically disabled. For example, the door on an APL sample chamber is connected to the remote interlock input on the laser power supply, and so the laser will be stopped if the sample chamber door is opened. So with this system we've got a Lightron nano laser connected and we've got the flash lamp running. And you can see that's confirmed by the flash lamp indicator being red. And if we now open the sample chamber door connected to this system, we can see that the flash lamp has been disabled and the corresponding status indicator in the status bar has changed from red to green. The interlock indicator in the status bar has also changed colour, but this time from green to red, and the source of the interlock error is displayed in the panel to the right. The manual laser controls and the acquisition initiation button in the toolbar have also been disabled and greyed out. The laser flash lamp can't be restarted and then the Q switch enabled until all interlocks have been satisfied. In this instance, the interlock can be satisfied by simply closing the sample chamber door. However, the behaviour of Libsoft is slightly different when this is done depending on the type of laser in use. With the Lightron Nano that's connected to this system, Libsoft recognises when the interlocks are satisfied and initiates a reset procedure to re-enable the laser flash lamp and shutter. So, if we close the sample chamber door, we can see the progress of this reset procedure indicated in the status bar. It takes a few seconds to complete, and when it is, the interlock is cleared and both the manual flash lamp control and the acquisition initiation button are re-enabled. Flash lamp can then be restarted. Note that this reset procedure doesn't actually start either the flash lamp or Q switch, it simply returns the laser to a state such that they can be started either manually, as we've just done, or by initiating an acquisition. With the Quantel Q-Smart laser, this reset procedure needs to be initiated manually. So if we again open the sample chamber door, but this time with the Q-Smart laser connected and the flash lamp running, we can again see that the flash lamp has been disabled and an interlock error is indicated, and the manual laser controls and the acquisition initiation control button have been disabled and greyed out. But in this instance, a new button is also displayed in the laser configuration window labelled Clear Alarm. If we then close the sample chamber door, the interlock is not cleared automatically. We have to also click on the Clear Alarm button. The interlock is then cleared and the flash lamp control button and the acquisition initiation button are then both re-enabled. And the flash lamp can be restarted. Note that some other lasers do not require a reset procedure, but the flash lamp and acquisition initiation buttons will still be disabled until all of the interlocks are satisfied. The remote or external interlock is the most common interlock error that is displayed during operation of the laser. However, some lasers, for example the Quantel Q-Smart, need to be at a certain temperature before they can be used, and so a temperature interlock is often displayed on first starting the system, as shown here. And if we open the laser configuration window, we can see that all the laser controls are disabled and greyed out, as is the acquisition initiation button. These controls won't be enabled until the laser temperature reaches the required value. When the required temperature has been reached, which for the Q-Smart laser is at approximately 36 degrees C, the interlock error is cleared automatically and the laser controls are enabled together with the acquisition initiation button. So the interlock has now been cleared. The laser parameter controls are enabled, as is the laser flash lamp control, and so is the acquisition initiation button in the main toolbar. The flash lamps can now be started in the normal way.